Past paper of one of the secondary school in Singapore. Maybe it's their prelim or what. It shows a circle and 4 identical semicircle. So I have a circle here. I have 4 semicircle. 1, 2, 3. Where's my 4? 4. And also I have a square. The square, this side is 12. This side also 12, 12 and 12. And the center of circle is 0. The first question is very easy. It's asking you what is the circumference of the circle, of this circle. So you just go 2 pi r. 2 times 3.14 times 6. And then we'll give you a value of 37.68 centimeter. Okay, then the second question may be a bit tricky because it's asking you what is the shaded area. Shaded area will be this portion, okay, all the portion. So when you see this question like this, you see that it's all scattered around. So you definitely know that you need to push the shaded area to consolidate all together into one place and see what shape you will have. So if I were to do it right, I see mainly the portion of the shaded area is here. So what I do is I can see a shape here, which is a rectangle. Okay, rectangle. And then I can, over this side here, very easily, over this side, you see this yellow color portion, let me push it down here. Okay, let me push it down here. Once I push it down, I will have this. Correct. Wait, what will this? And then I will see another area, another piece, which is this area. I can actually flip it over here. It's the same, right? But if I flip it over here, I see that it's very scattered. All my shaded area become very scattered. I hope to, first, if I were to divide this into smaller portion, right? I hope to really squeeze everything here into one square first. So I will choose to shift this over here. Of course, you have to rotate. You see the shape here? Is actually the shape here. So this portion, which is the blue portion here, blue portion, I want to switch it over to here. Okay, I switch it over to here. So after I switch it over to here, this is what you see. Okay, so as what I said, I need to move all the pieces to one place. This area here, I can actually move it here. Oops. Oh, this I can actually, this portion here, I can actually move it to where? To here. Correct. But then I want to consolidate everything to one small square here, to the small square here. So the best choice will be move this area to this. So actually it's put it as green. This green portion here, I move it over to here. Okay, so once I move it over to here, you can see it becomes like that. So let me rub away some things first. Okay, and then I see a rectangle. I already tried to push a lot of things to this portion. So this whole portion here, a rectangle minus this whole square here is considered as shaded. Correct. But I have a problem. In this case, I left with this and this. So when I see this square here, right, what other shapes do I see? I see a quadrant here. And I see a quadrant here. Correct. I can actually push this portion to this portion here. Or I can choose to push this portion to this portion here. Because if I push this portion to this portion here, this become unshaded. But I choose to push this because smaller area. So I choose to push this over here. I push this red here to become red here. So you can see clearly, right, what you have. I have this whole thing inside this quadrant which is unshaded. So how can I find the area of the shaded? Area of the shaded is the area of shaded, right? Equals to area of the rectangle minus away the area of the quadrant. Correct? Correct or not? So what is the area of the rectangle? Or alternatively, okay, area of rectangle, this is 12, so okay, never mind. So I think I have 12 times, here is 6, right? 6, bracket it, minus away 1/4 of the circle, of the whole circle. So it's like pi r squared. Okay, I need to pull out the calculator. But actually, if you were to see, right, you should be able to get 43.74 centimeters squared. Okay, so this is the answer. Remember, for question like that, you try to consolidate all the shaded area here. If not, you try to see how you can push all the shaded area into a shape, like my previous question. Push it into the triangle, the area of the triangle, my previous question, because we didn't know the triangle area. And maybe I will link it together with this question. Okay.